And these conditions usually cause a lot of people to order food delivered instead of leaving the house.
One of the most popular meals to get delivered is pizza. Fox 18's Carlos Sosa reports what precautions they take during winter storms.
Delivery drivers from Happy Joe's in Davenport say last winter storm made deliveries difficult.
Last time this happened, our delivery drivers actually had to get out of their cars and walk a couple blocks. So they have to avoid streets that might get them stuck.
They say delivery times may be long, with many people choosing to stay home.
Delivery times will increase depending on how busy we are. They might increase from 45 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes. We will have about 3 delivery drivers here.
Nick Bacon, a delivery driver at Pizza and Subs in Rock Island, says that during winter he tries to be as safe as possible on the road during winter.
You have to take more precautions than normal. Like, you always want to have a full gas tank, or just, make sure you have new tires.
And for Pizza and Subs owner Lisa Hoskins, safety comes first for her staff.
Usually that's when everybody wants deliveries, and we try to keep our staff safe. So we send the drivers out until they feel uncomfortable with the conditions. We leave it up to them.
She's glad that her customers are understanding.
We always try our best when it is snowy conditions. We usually can't guarantee times, but our customers are great, and I think most people are just happy to be able to not have to go out and get dinner.
In Rock Island, Carla Sosa, Fox 18 News.